My name is Kirby Fowler. I'm president and CEO of the Maryland Zoo in Baltimore, and we've been around since 1876. We've been here just to inspire people to engage in conservation, in active support of wildlife and wild places. Financially, we had to come up with some creative solutions to draw more people in and more revenue. We need to do something to extend our season and to provide opportunities for people to enjoy the winter in Baltimore. And so we decided, let's have an open experience for walking as well as for cars to come through and see these wonderful zoo lights. We did some research. We came across the Rileighs name associated with Hershey's and another great venues, and we said, why not try them out? They're nearby. We immediately started work on design, and we only had about 2 months from the signing a contract to implementation, and we were able to pull it off. Rileighs was great. They were on time, and they were very professional, and they really did a great job in providing the right materials for the zoo lights. We've got 50 different sculptures that are in the shapes of animals, and 100,000 environmentally friendly LED lights. So it's consistent with our mission as well. What we found to be appealing about working with Rileighs was that we could have a multiple year engagement. Rileighs is going to store them. They already worked on designing. They're going to store them for us, also maintaining. Even though there's 100,000 LED lights and they last longer than the older lights, still something's going to break. And so Rileighs is there to help. They've got this special white glove treatment that was very attractive to us. Already, it's been very successful for us. We also liked working with Rileighs because they could customize the pieces for us, showing off the animals that we have in the zoo. But so they get a bit of the experience of the zoo, but also there aren't going to be many opportunities this year for people to really enjoy the holidays together here in an open environment. A big wow factor is this large panel tree behind us with these lights and how dynamic it is, along with music pumping through the zoo as well. It's just a really nice overall environment for the family and for dates as well.